How to manage access rights for users. User access rights are linked to the board collections. To grant access, go to the Board Collections from the Settings menu. Click to edit. On the left side, existing users that belong to the board collection are listed. Users that can be added to this board collection are listed on the right-hand side. Click on the Add button and select their role. You may also select a group and grant the role to the group. All the users that belong to the group will automatically get the selected access rights. Access rights can also be set at the time of inviting a new user. You can add a user to the groups and board collections. A user can have different roles in each board collection. Invited users will be visible under Pending Invites until they accept the email invitation. To create a new group, go to the Groups option and select the users from the list. Kendis comes with 3 default roles. You're able to modify these roles or create new ones. It's important to review the roles and permissions from time to time. For more information, check Kendis Help Portal at help.kendis.io.